everybody, it is me, Connor the Gamer here, and I am back with another video. I was looking at my other video, it was saying that I got like 12 views already, so that, I don't know if that's from me, because I watched the video as well a couple times just to make sure I didn't get anything wrong. But it was fine, but it was my first video, so, and as you can tell, I turned off the music because I can tell in the first video you could not hear my voice whatsoever. So hopefully this helps. We're gonna do more battles, we're gonna do some squads, and, yeah, let's have some fun. Because it was annoying that you could not hear my voice at any part of the video, or most of the time. Like, I don't know. But okay, this would work because there's actually a submachine gun over here, meaning it. Okay, let's get him. Come on. God dang it, and I just died. Alright then, let's, that's one way to do that, I guess. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Already 10 teams left, are you serious? Wait, why does it say that? I don't get that. That one kind of mind boggles me. Alright, well, is there anything? Nope. Oh god, there's someone in here. Run! Alright, it's on, dude. I'm gonna annihilate you with a double-barrel shotgun. Oh. Well, I'm just a freaking idiot. Oh, shut up. Okay, so what we need to do, or what I need to do... Stop pushing me around, boy. Oh, you kinda... God dang it, I could have had him too. Alright then, well, I'll be back again. Okay, so I decided to do solo. I decided to do solo because I thought it would make it easier for me. No, it makes it harder, actually, because I'm alone. Okay, that was weird. There was a bit of delay on the game here. Okay, well that's great. That's great. Okay. Where are the guns? There's usually guns all over. Well, there was a double barrel back there. There was a double barrel back there, but... Oh, wait, there's one over here. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and grab this, and I'll, blow some heads off. Oh, no, I won't. No, it's mine! See? Alright then. I like this double barrel shotgun. This gun does a lot of damage. But it does have a disadvantages too. It shoots slowly, but it does like big huge clumps of damage per shot. Ooh, more shield. Great. Alright, who's here? I bet that thing's already been collected. Of course they were shrinking. What do you expect? Oh. Did I get him? Oh, you're kidding me. I didn't get him. And once again, I will be right back. I defeated one battler, yay! That kinda sucks. Yeah, I'm going back to squads. Oh, and by the way, today, since I woke up pretty early, I woke up at like 9, because I usually sleep in, I might make a second video on this, so you should probably expect 2 videos to be uploaded today. I'll see what I can do about it, because my tablet is YouTube's policy. Oh, it sucks. But let's play, okay? Why do you know? I'm having fun. Okay, are you serious? Hurry up! Good lord, it's never taken this long before. Oh. It froze. It froze. Because it says wait for battle layers, it usually goes up from seconds or something like that. I don't know what that is. Come on. Are you serious? There we go. Jesus Christ. What am I? I'm a green man. I'm a green man! Oh god, that guy was AFK. Oh god, he's like, nope, 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 nope. He's like, no, I'm going over there. Come on, load. I gotta blow my nose, Jesus Christ. Don't you mess me up. Ooh, perfect! I get a rifle. That's actually not that good. That's not really that good at all. Yeah, I'll get it. Ow. Something to my... Ow. Ow. I should have cut that out. Crap. It's... Something just all of a sudden went into my eye. And I just had iced coffee, too, so I need to wake up. Oh my god, it's the frickin' storm! Screw you, rifle. I have enough time to... I'm not a chicken, shut up. You know that, right? Why am I... Oh, that's your own dang fault, man. You want to know why I'm always energetic? It's because I've had so much iced coffee today. It's great. Maybe if I wasn't as productive in the last videos because I was like, nah, I don't like it. Like, I was too tired last night. Actually, my friend Ty was actually as tired as he was. It was 10 when I was making the video, but because he lives on the eastern border of where we live. So it was 9:50 here, and then it was 10. It was almost 11 there. So meaning he had to go to bed because he has work because he doesn't work for YouTube. I don't. I do this as a hobby. It's fun. Are you serious right now? Are you flipping serious right now? You do not want to ooh, Sabretooth. You do not want to mess with me right now. I got a double barrel shotgun. I just messed myself up. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And please please like and subscribe. It would really help my channel grow. And anyway, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.